Have you ever tried to rename a folder and run into this error? A message pops up and saying this action can't be completed because the folder or file in it is open and another program. In other words, Windows thinks the folder or one of the file inside it's still being used by another application. For example, let's say this folder contains some photos and videos. If you open one of the photos using the Windows Photos app or the video you want to play, the app may continue holding that file in the memory even after you close it. So even though it looks like the app has been closed, it's actually still running in the background. To stop this background process, right click the start button and select Task Manager. Then go to Process tab, scroll down and find the Photos app or any other app that shows the error pop up. Like mine is Camtasia showing this error. Click on it, then press End Task at the bottom. Other apps can also keep a file locked in the background. For example, if you see phone link running, select it and select End Task. Like otherwise, Camtasia can also keep file in use, so select it and click End Task. And that's it. Now you close the task manager and renaming the folder again. This time it should work without any problem. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.